You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to change the country of your YouTube channel on mobile. First, open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture. Select your channel. Tap the edit pencil icon next to your channel name. On the channel edit page, look for the country option. If you don't see it, you may need to use the desktop website for full settings. The country setting is often tied to your Google Pay profile. To change it, open a mobile browser and go to youtube.com. Request the desktop site by tapping the three dots in your browser menu and selecting Desktop Site. Log into your YouTube account. Click your profile picture, then YouTube Studio. On the left, click Settings, then Channel. Under the Advanced Settings tab, find the Country drop-down. Select your new country. You will need to update your Google Pay country first if there are monetization settings. Go to pay.google.com in your browser. Update your country in the settings there, and wait 24 hours, changing your country. Affects tax information, paid content availability, and ads. You can only change it a few times per year. If the option is grayed out, you may have a pending transaction. After changing, it may take time to reflect. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.